Hello guys, it's Dale here. Before I begin with the video, I'd like to show you a special Halloween sale that we are running on the website. The sale is on my best educational packs, which is the order flow pack and the elite pack, which you can find in here. So let me show you real quick. Let me click this order flow now, and in here there is a video which shows the whole order flow pack, which consists of order flow software, volume profile software, and 12-hour long video course on training with the order flow. You can watch the video to learn everything that you are going to get in this pack, and if you scroll down you can get it discounted in here. Right now it's only $3.97, as does the special Halloween sale we are running. Now let me go back and let me go here, trading course and tools. When you click this banner, it will take you to this page, and if you scroll down a bit, then in here there's my recommended training pack. It's called the Elite pack. There's also a video which you can watch that will show you everything that's included in the Elite pack. In short, it includes 15-hour long video training on trading with volume profile. It also includes my personal trading levels. Those are daily trading levels and swing trading levels. It also consists of volume profile pack, which is pack of my volume profile indicators, and also a couple of bonuses. At the top of that, there is a free tech support for Elite pack members and also for the order flow pack members. The special support means that our tech support will connect to your computer. They'll set up NinjaTrader platform for you, set up all the indicators, workspaces, connect you to data feed, and they'll do it for free, as that's a part of the service that we provide to the Elite pack members and also to the order flow pack members. Alright, so those are the two best educational and indicator packs that I offer, and both are currently discounted. If you are new to my trading method and if you want to learn how to trade with volume profile, then I recommend getting the Elite pack. And if you already went through this and if you are interested in day trading with order flow, then I recommend getting the order flow pack in here. Alright, so that's about that. That's about the Halloween sale. And let me now switch over to the charts and talk about the trading ideas. So the first trading idea is going to be on Bitcoin. What you see before you is a 30-minute chart of Bitcoin, and what I want to talk about in here is a very significant area, and it is this area. Let me delete this volume profile, this flexible volume profile, and let me show you on the weekly profile. This gray profile, that's the weekly profile, and it shows volume distribution throughout the whole week. In this case, it shows volumes throughout the whole previous week. And the heaviest volumes throughout the previous week were accumulated in here. This is the weekly point of control. Weekly point of control, that means that the heaviest volumes throughout the previous week were accumulated here, right? Around this price level. So that's the weekly point of control. You can tell because the volume profile is the widest here. And as you can see from here, from this place, strong sell-off started. Now this is telling me that sellers were accumulating their short positions at this price level. And I think that the sellers were accumulating most of their shorts in here in this rotation. Let me show you with the flexible volume profile here. See, this is the massive volume zone from which the strong selling activity started. So sellers were building up their short positions in here, and then they manipulated the price to shoot downwards. This is the beginning of that heavy volume zone, 19,970, and I think that this is a very strong resistance. I think that when there's a pullback to this resistance at some point in the future, then the price will react there. I think that the sellers from here will want to defend this heavy volume zone and push the price downwards from there again, right? As this is an important zone for them, for the sellers, and it is important for them because they placed a lot of their shorts there. So yeah, as the strong day trading resistance on Bitcoin. And let me now switch over to another chart, another trading idea, and the next one will be on the British pound. So now the chart shows the British pound 30-minute chart, and what I want to talk about is Friday's development, where the price reversed and went from strong buying activity into strong selling activity. If you look closer into this rejection, then you can see that there is a significant volume cluster in here. Significant volumes were traded before the price went from strong buying to strong selling. And this is an important zone because it's telling us that sellers started to accumulate short positions in here, and then they reversed, and then they started to push the price downwards. This is the beginning of that heavy volume zone. It is at 1.1194, and I expect that when there's a pullback to this zone at some point in the future, I expect that there'll be a reaction. I think that sellers from this place will become active and push the price downwards again, right? They should become active to defend their shorts, which they place here, and this is why the price should react there. So this is currently a strong day trading resistance, right? So what we need to do now is just wait for the pullback and take it from there. Now, another trading idea I like to show you is on the Euro Swiss franc. So what you see before you is the Euro Swiss franc chart. It is a 30-minute time frame. That's my favorite time frame for day trading analysis. And what I want to talk about in here is this strong uptrend and volumes accumulated within this uptrend. So let me draw my flexible volume profile over this area. Now, first significant volume zone was in here. It got tested a couple of times. So I don't think it's a good idea to trade it anymore because this support got already spent and it is now tested. So I won't be trading it again, but the next significant heavy volume zone is in here, and this one hasn't been tested yet. I draw the support, which I want to talk about in here at 0.9570. But as you can see, heavy volume zone begins a little bit above that. If I draw a line here, then it will be at 95.83. So there are two possible supports in here. The price could either react to this one, to the heavy volumes, or to the second one in here, which is beginning of this aggressive buying activity. So if you are a more aggressive trader and if you don't want to miss out, then you want to trade from this level, from the higher level, and this way you won't miss the opportunity. If you are more conservative, then it's safer to take the lower one, this one at 95.70, from which the price shot upwards aggressively. Alright, in both cases the setup is called the trend setup and it is based on heavy volumes within a trend, but this lower level is also based not only on the heavy volume zone but also on the strong buying activity we see here. Alright, if the price reacts to the higher level, to this one, then don't take the lower level, right? Because it would be tested. So yeah, that's the Euro Swiss franc and the strong support we have here. The logic behind it is that this represents a place where buyers were adding to their long positions, the buyers who are pushing the price into this uptrend, right? So this is an important zone for those buyers, and those buyers should defend this place when there's a pullback. Alright, so that's about the Euro Swiss franc. And what I'd like to do now is a little trade recap from trades we had from the last video, from the last weekly trading ideas video. we had 3 trading levels, which I was talking about. First was on the Australian dollar Japanese yen, the next one was on Bitcoin, the third one was on the euro British pound. So let's start with the Australian dollar Japanese yen. So this is the Australian dollar Japanese yen, and we had this short level in here based on heavy volumes accumulated in this rotation. We were waiting for a pullback, then the price hit the level, overshot it a bit, and then a nice reaction. This is exactly what I was hoping for with this level. Alright, so that's the Australian dollar Japanese yen. The next trade was on Bitcoin. So let's switch over to the Bitcoin chart again. And what I want to talk about in here is this resistance, which we had here. It was at 20,100 and it was based on those heavy volumes which got traded within this reaction. So this was a resistance, there was a pullback to it, and there was the reaction. Alright, so this one was a very nice trade as well. And the third trading level that I want to talk about is the euro British pound. So this is the euro British pound 30-minute chart. The level which I had here was based on weekly point of control. You can see it on this gray profile in here. You know what, let me show you with the flexible volume profile as well, so it's better visible. Those are the heavy volumes. This was the level. The price reacted a little bit before the level. There were 3 strong reactions. The last one, let me zoom it in a bit. The last reaction was 7 pips before the level, and there was pretty huge reaction afterwards, around 90 pips. This definitely looked like a reaction to those heavy volumes, and if you were around the computer, it was best to discard the level after this reaction or after this reaction, because it seemed that this heavy volume zone was already spent just a little bit sooner, but it seems that it already got spent. So it was best to avoid trading this one. But if you were trading it, for example, with a limit order, then as you can see, there was not really any reaction to it. The price went past it, and this would be a losing trade. Alright, so all in all, we had 2 winners and 1 trade which was best avoided or which would be a loser. So yeah, that was the little recap of the trades from the previous weekly trading ideas video. And before I wrap this video up, what I like to do is announce the winner of the contest we had last time in the last weekly trading ideas video. The prize of the contest was volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4 platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won the indicator. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing you need to do to participate in the contest is leave a comment below this video on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick 1 person to win my volume profile indicator. Alright, so that's about that. That's about the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. So until then, happy trading!